today's class. Uh, in the last class, we had discussed about germination. Am I right? About germination.
Yes, ma'am.
So you have
Yes, ma'am.
seen the video. The how seeds are turning into a baby plant, right? That baby plant will grow into a big tree, right? So these all things you just saw it in the video, right? It's the same thing you can see whenever you are walking through your courtyard. See near to your house, you can see mango saplings or jackfruit saplings like these all things, right? All seeds turns into a baby plant. See,
Baby.
in the previous class, we discussed about the seeds which contain, the fruits which contain only one seed, fruits which contain
Four
more
seed.
seeds, right?
Yeah.
Seeds which we can see outside the fruit like this, all right? Am I right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All things you know about it. Okay. So here we want to know germination. Okay. Germination means it is the process by which seed grows into a new plant. Germination. Have you heard about this word? Germination.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Germination means the process by which a seed turns into a baby plant, grows into a plant. That is called germination.
Yes, ma'am.
See, just imagine a small house. Okay, just imagine a small house. And in that house, around 35, 40 members are living in that house. Just imagine one small house, and in that small house, around 35 to 40 members are living in that house. So that is surely a joint family, right? Usually it may be a joint family. So when this much family members are living in a single house, will they get sufficient place for sleeping?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, no
Ma'am.
chance, no
No,
chance.
ma'am.
And say if so many children are also in that family members, so that children also won't get chocolates, biscuits as much
Yes,
they
ma'am.
want, right? They won't get. They will
Yes,
get
ma'am.
only pieces of chocolates or pieces of biscuits and all, right? So just another situation. Just imagine you had get into a this one crowded bus. Crowded bus. Huh? So Gautam, switch on the video. So you have just inside a crowded bus. See, you may feel right suffocation, right? You won't get enough air for breathing. Am I right? You
Yes,
won't
ma'am.
get enough air for
Yes,
breathing
ma'am.
if you
Yes,
are
ma'am.
there in a crowded bus. In the same way,
Yes, ma'am.
in the same way. So just imagine a mango plant, mango tree, a big mango tree. All the mangoes after ripening that mangoes that all fall down under the same tree, under the same tree. When it ripes, that will fall down under that. After few days on the ground itself, the fleshy part will decay into the soil and the seed will come out of it. So if just imagine if all the seeds of that mango tree are germinating under the same mother plant. All the mango seeds of that mango tree are germinating under the same plant, same tree. Please mute your audio, everybody.
Ma'am, I can't hear you properly. Can you speak little more louder?
Okay, okay. So, if all that seeds of the mango germinate under the same tree, will they get enough nutrients for them to grow?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No chance.
No.
Right? No chance. And will they get enough space for growing?
No, ma'am.
So, if the and because as they are under the same tree, they won't get enough sunlight. They won't get enough sunlight. So, the seed, if the seed wants to germinate, that seed needs 4 important things.
Ma'am, there's someone in the waiting.
Okay. So, if a seed wants to germinate, they need 4 important essential things. Anybody knows about it? Which all are the essential things a seed needs to?
Water,
Water.
temperature, sun humidity, water, nutrients.
Okay. In the video also.
Nutrients.
Right? Okay. Mute your audio.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, mute it. So, if a seed wants to germinate, wants to grow into a plant, it needs right amount of water, right amount of nutrients, right amount of air, and also proper amount of sunlight, warmth. So these 4 things are required for a seed to germinate. So just imagine all that seeds, mango seeds are germinating under the same mango plant, mango tree. Will they get these all things sufficiently?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
Won't get. See, they won't get sufficient space. They won't get sufficient nutrients. They have to fight against the other seeds for getting the space and for the seed, for the nutrients. As you are fighting with your sibling for chocolates or any other biscuits and all, are you fighting?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I don't have siblings.
Okay, those don't have the sibling, don't worry. You may get chance for fighting. Okay, don't worry.
Okay, ma'am.
So this is a natural thing. Fighting with the sibling for the something. That is a natural thing. Okay, don't shame on it. That should be there. Okay, that is also a part of our growth. Okay, so in the same way, the seeds have to fight against each other for getting space and for the nutrients and all.
Yes.
So those are strong seeds. Those which are strong seeds, they will they may get more space and more nutrients. The weaker ones won't get anything. They will die up.
Okay. Loudly.
Okay, surely. They may get died up. Okay. So in the same way, when you are fighting with your sibling, if you are strong, you will snatch the chocolates or biscuit from the sibling, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And will run away. The same way, the weaker one won't get enough nutrients or space. So, the seeds which are weak, which are not strong, they won't get enough space and nutrients and they may dry up. They can't germinate. So, in order to avoid this, nature had made a technique. Nature is also have some technique. Okay, what is that technique? See, the seeds are inside a fleshy fruit, right?
Yes, ma'am.
That fruit is fleshy, tasty and nutrient rich. That is why you want to eat mangoes, right?
Apples.
Apples, I think. Will you be ready to eat a bitter gourd?
No, ma'am. No.
Okay, everybody got it right. Why?
I'm going to try it.
Okay, that taste is very, you don't like that taste. But mangoes, apples, these all, Madhav, you like to eat bitter gourd? Very good. Okay. Okay. So, these all fruits are fleshy, tasty and nutrient rich. so that you like people, like the, not only you, okay, me also, animals or human beings will take that fruit from the tree and take it to
Your
their home.
voice is so low, I can't hear it.
Say 1 minute, I want to check my voice. Say
Ma'am,
how many of you can hear my voice loudly?
ma'am,
I can.
ma'am, I can hear.
Ma'am, I can. I can.
Don't unmute. Just raise your hand. Okay. See, almost, oh, Halim. See, you are now also drinking, eating. Huh? Okay, see, almost everybody can hear it. Nandida, what about Nandida? I think
It's little bit low.
see, I can hear your voice also little bit strucking, right? Okay, so I think those are facing some problems, maybe.
I can't, ma'am.
No problem. I can hear your sound constantly, but it is so low. Here, so much noise.
Okay. I will.
Ma'am, sometimes your voice is getting stuck also.
Okay, so maybe the network may be low. That
And
is.
sometimes lagging also.
For me, it is audible.
Okay. So please stay for the connection to be stable. Okay. So here we
Ma'am,
will
it's
be.
okay.
I will keep it in my hand so that all others can hear. Okay, all of. So here we were talking about the seeds, right? Okay. So seeds, they want, if they get all the conditions, if all the conditions are satisfied, they can germinate. So the fruits which are fleshy, tasty and nutrient rich. By seeing the mango, you will go and take that mango and will take it to your home. There you will eat, right? And after eating, you will keep the seed somewhere else, right? You will simply throw it in your courtyard. See, there that seed will fall down and there it will start to germinate. Understood? So, making the fruits fleshy, juicy and nutrient rich. That is also a technique of the nature for taking the seeds away from the mother plant. And another thing I will explain. This some animal birds, the crow, like this, birds will go and sit on the fly and sit on the mango tree. They will take one mango and fly away, right? So the mangoes which are there, mango tree which may be there in one place, the crow may take the mango from there to some 1 kilometer far from that place. There it will sit and will eat that mangoes. After eating, the seed will fall down. There it will start to grow that mango. So, the nature had a technique to spread the seeds of a tree far from the mother plant. Nature has its own techniques to spread the seeds from one place to another, so that all the seeds can survive, all the seeds can germinate. Understood? The spreading of seeds away from the mother plant, that is called dispersal. Dispersal. Have you heard this word, dispersal?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Where you heard?
No, ma'am.
Assembly,
Yeah,
dispersed. Yeah, so you heard it, right? Okay, assembly, dispersed means what it is?
Assembly finished.
The meeting it is over.
over.
Okay, meeting it is over. Everybody can go to their own classes. In the same way.
Like that, the seeds can go where are they?
Okay, yeah, very good. The seeds can spread. Seeds can spread from the plants. That process is called dispersal. The spreading of seeds from the plant. The spreading of seeds from the plant is called dispersal of seed. Okay, so say just imagine Gautam got some mangoes from his neighbor. Okay, just imagine. Okay, Gautam, which is your favorite food? Favorite fruit? Which is your favorite?
Jackfruit.
Oh, very good, very nutritious. Okay, so Gautam's favorite fruit is jackfruit, but it is not in his. Just imagine, it is not in his house. Okay, so he wants to eat it. So mother asked to this mother. 1 minute. So Gautam's mother called Madhav's mother, parent, and asked, "Do you have any jackfruit? See here at my house there is no jackfruit, but my dear Gautam wants this."
Audible to you?
Yes. So at that time,
Okay, ma'am.
Madhav's house is far from the Gautam's house, right? So from there, that jackfruit is brought to Gautam's house. So jackfruit tree is in one place, but that jackfruit came to the, not by its own, okay. Some maybe Gautam's father went and took, or mother's father took it to here. Anyhow, it is transported. And Gautam got his jackfruit. After eating his jackfruit, he will throw away the seeds here and there in his courtyard, right? Will you do that?
No, ma'am.
No. Then what
No.
you will do? What you will do then? Tell me. What you will do?
Ma'am, I will go to my mother's house and plant that seed.
Okay, your mother's house, right? Okay. So Gautam is saying that he will collect all the seeds of mother's jackfruit and will go to mother's house. Where is your mother's house, Gautam?
Prepare.
It is near to Ernakulam, right? It is now, where is your house is Kodungalur, right? Okay. So,
Yes.
from the Kodungalur, Gautam will take that seeds to Tripayar. Okay. There he will plant it. There that seeds will germinate. So, can you understand anything from this story?
Yes, ma'am.
What you understand?
The way how the plants are germinating.
No. Is this how they are germinating?
Ma'am, I understood that Gautam will take
It
this
is
seed
spread
and
by how they spread that by.
Okay.
Ma'am, I understood that Gautam will plant the seed. How the seed spread?
1 minute. Man, you understood only that Gautam will plant it. This much
And-
only you understood.
Ma'am, somewhere understood, but it's a little confusing.
See,
Spread.
1 minute. So those who are late to understand, okay, I will explain. From Kodungalur, that plant, the seeds of that jackfruit will go to Tripayar, right? So that is also a spreading, right? Spreading of seed from the plant. Actually, the mother plant is in mother's house, but now the baby plant will grow in Tripayar. So there it will get the conditions all are satisfied, the seed will start to germinate. So this type of spreading of seed is called dispersal. Who helped to disperse the jackfruit seed from Kodungalur to this Tripayar? In this example, Gautam means the human being, right? Gautam means the human being.
Ma'am, I don't have jackfruit tree.
No problem. It is just a story, no? There is no questions in story. You might have heard about it, right? Don't worry. If you don't have the jackfruit tree, surely you have to plant it today itself. Okay, take the seed from somewhere else and plant it. Okay, so yes.
Can you hear me?
Back of here is full of jackfruit trees.
Okay, very good. Okay, so here let me see. This is called dispersal. Dispersal means the spreading of seeds from the plant. What do you mean? So when I am asking question, I want to answer only those who are raising the hand. I will give chance to them. Don't answer it as a together. Okay. So the spreading of seed from the plant is known as. Who can say? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Yeah, I want to see. Sri Hari is there. Sri Hari. Sri Hari. Sri Hari. Okay, tell me Sri Hari. Unmute it. Sri Hari. What you are? Spreading of seeds from the plants is known as. Spreading of seeds from the plant. Okay, I will come back to you. Felix. Felix.
Yes, ma'am. Dispersal.
Dispersal. Sri Hari now. Okay, okay. Dispersal. And another question. When a seed grows into a new plant, it is called dash. When a seed grows into a new plant, it is called dash.
I'm allowed this waiting room.
Bharadwaj. 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 Switch on the video. Yes, unmute it. When a seed, Bharadwaj, when a seed grows into a new plant, that is called dash. What it is called? Loudly. I can't hear your voice. Okay, I will ask Amna. Okay, Amna is first.
Germinate.
Germination. Bharadwaj, have you said about the germination? Okay, I can't hear your voice. Okay. Okay. So, for a seed to germinate, what are the conditions to be satisfied? For a seed to germinate, what are the conditions to be satisfied? Or what are the things needed for a seed to germinate? Raise your hand. I can see very few students. Agnay. Agnay. Yes. Yes.
Water.
Okay.
Sun.
Sunlight. Okay.
Soil nutrients.
Nutrients. Then air. Then air. Okay. Then air. So,
Soil.
okay, soil. So let me, 1 minute. Let me take a slide. Okay. I want to show a slide. 1 minute.
Ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes. If you have
Ma'am,
any
you
doubt,
told.
no.
Ma'am, you told right. We should plant the trees in our house.
Yes, yes, yes.
But we should not plant the trees near to the houses. If we have small space and all, no problem. But if we have little space,
Okay,
we
okay.
should
That
not.
all according to your convenience, you can do it. Okay.
It will affect our house.
Okay,
Back
that all.
of my house. Mom, in back of my house there are two mahogany.
Okay, so okay.
Back of my house also having.
Okay, so here I want to show you a slide. Okay, so please,
Okay, ma'am.
Please mute your audio and
Pomegranate.
1 minute. Okay, can you see a slide? Can you see a slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Okay, good. So here
Yes,
it is
ma'am.
written that a seed needs soil, water,
Soil,
air,
water,
and nutrients to germinate. So, it will be easy for you to remember the word swan here. Can you see the word swan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Okay, the swan means
Yes, ma'am.
swan eating. See. Mute your audio first.
Swan is a shortcut of soil,
Mute your
water.
audio. Everybody mute it. So here you can see uh, swan, a short form of the word soil. First word of the soil, S. First word of the water, the alphabet, right? Not the word, first letter. First letter of soil, S. First letter of water, W. First letter of air, A. First letter of nutrients, N. By connecting these the first letters, we can say swan, right? If we remember this word, Agne, in between he forgot that word, right? Some of the conditions.
Ma'am,
So,
we need plant to germinate.
so if we remember like this swan, this word, we can surely remember all the conditions which has to be satisfied for a seed to germinate. So any doubt? Is there any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No. So by remembering that word swan, S-W-A-N. S,
Sunlight also, right?
yes, means sunlight. W means water. Yes. Anandesh.
No, ma'am. In that,
Angelina, please.
Moisture is air. Ma'am, moisture.
Water. Moisture means water. Okay. So, if you are writing moisture, then also it is correct. Instead of it, if you are mentioning water, that is also correct. Okay. Clear? Is it clear? Okay, Angelina.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Angelina.
Yes,
What do you want?
excuse me, ma'am. If you like soil and sunlight, also no problem. Soil or sunlight.
Soil or sunlight. Okay. Instead of air, if you are writing, sorry, soil or sunlight, right? 1 minute, let me show it. Let me share the screen. Okay, what it is. Okay, here
and that was my question.
soil, water, air, and nutrients. Okay, again repeat the question. Soil or
sunlight.
sunlight, soil, water, air, and nutrients. Okay. Soil is
Sunlight.
soil. Water is there, air is there, nutrients. Okay. So sunlight also we needed. Sunlight also we need, not we, the seeds need to germinate. Okay. So
And then we can say swans.
So,
either you
swans.
can write soil or you can write sunlight. No.
Soil is
So, swans.
nutrients.
Okay. From the soil, the nutrients are from the soil. So if we write soil, then also no problem. But sunlight should be there. Okay.
Ma'am, some people are waiting in the.
Okay.
Ma'am,
So
if
they are of 5B class. Okay, Anandesh.
Ma'am, if we write soil, if you write soil instead of nutrients, also no problem.
Soil or nutrients, no problem. No problem. Okay. So soil is needed, nutrients also, air or sunlight, then water. These all things are needed. Okay. So any of the 4 you can write, no problem. Any of the 4 things which are required for a seed to germinate. These all
And
things should be there.
sunlight is added in nutrients.
Sunlight will?
Is added in nutrients.
Sunlight is not added in this nutrient. Okay. Sunlight contains vitamin D. Okay, that is not mentioned here. Here it is saying that some particular temperature. If it is so hot, the seed can't germinate.
Germany.
Understood. If it is some seeds are there, they can germinate only during the rainy season. They want like that type of temperature and water. But some seeds can germinate only in summer seasons. Summer seasons. They don't want much water or much moisture. Okay, so I think you read the textbook page number 24, 25 and 26. We can continue with the same topic for the next class after reopening. Okay, so
Okay, ma'am.
I want to wish all of you a happy Onam. Enjoy
Happy
energetic.
Happy
Thank you, ma'am.
Onam.